Hey there everyone, so this is going to be a part 1 to the hand controlled drone. This is a review for greytechnologies. This is something I bought from their website. This is going to be an unboxing of their drone. There we go. Got the drone right there. It's got 4 propellers. Power button on the top. Battery on the bottom. Alright. So it has a drone. Then the wrist hand controller. Next you have the charging cables here, replacement blades, and a screwdriver to make repairs. That's what comes included with the box. And also with that, you have your instruction manual. There we go. So, see that? There you go. Everything you need to know will be in this. Right. And this is a full layout. So I recommend you guys try this out. See what you think. Let me know. And also I'll be uploading a second video as part 2 to actually review how the drone works. So stay tuned for that. I'll see you guys later. Bye.